Okay, so I am currently in the process of now fixing the taillights. It is the same day as me also trying to put on the new bumper, but I have given up on that just because I don't think that's gonna be possible in one day, let alone trying to I can't even get the grill onto it. So I'm gonna have to wait and postpone that. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I think I'm just gonna take a break when Thanksgiving break comes, or maybe I'll have to wait till spring break to actually do that. I was hoping to get it done sooner. In the meantime, though, we're gonna fix these taillights. The one thing I'm noticing is, though, when they fixed my vehicle, they completely removed these two, and I only found one. I don't know where the other one went. I hope it's still in here. Like, this shop is so ghetto, bro. Like, I swear to God. Anyway, yeah, just if you plan on replacing these with the taillights I have, this is not a guide. I will link the video that I use, but I will let you guys know if I run into any trouble and things that you should be precautious about before you break something, and instead you let me break it. So we'll see how that goes. So we removed one of the pins. I'm going to show you right now what I'm talking about. This right here. One thing to keep in mind, that part right there, I'm gonna point it out with the screwdriver. That part right there, you have to push against it, in between it. So if the connector is like, it goes in like this. Hold this one here. Just, it goes in like that, and there's this little part right here that is hooked onto it. You got to push and put the screwdriver between that and that little, move this, and that space right there. So this goes in between those two, and then you just push this opposite end and then pull up with the other one. I pried it up with this because on one end it has like this little tab. You could use your fingernail if you wanted to, but I just use this. It was much easier. That's the only thing that I think is worthy of noting, because that can break very easily. Now this should just be push and pull. Yeah, it is push and pull. There is some weather sealing on this. I'm hoping the other one has some kind of sealing also. Yeah, so pull that out, and then that's it. Now on to the next one.
Wait, yo, are the lights are gonna come?
All right, so right now we took these out. Both sides are good. We removed these up here. There is we weren't able to figure this out. I don't know how to take this out. I just left it. I'm hoping it's not that big of a problem when I do get there. In this spot right here, there is, let me show you what I mean. So this is attached. You just disconnect it. What side was this one? No, this wasn't even the right. Yeah, it was. This was the right side. So this one goes placed in here. So all you got to do is attach that one cable off of it. This one's really easy to detach. It's like really simple. All you do is, it's in here, right here. So all you do is pry it open, and then it detaches from this, and it's really simple because there's like a little tab. There is a black, I am forgetting words. There's a black, where'd it go?
I don't know. Isn't it these?
Yeah, there's a black nut, and it's this one right here, and you drop it. It looks like this, the black nut, and then you just unscrew, just remove this black nut. You'll need to remove one of them. There's two. You only remove one of them. Where is the attachment so I can show it?
It's not this piece. It's that.
Oh yeah. So there's two. You'll see this one and then the other one. You're just removing this one, and this one is black. Aside from that, though, currently I'm trying to remove this, and I can't figure it out. I already broke one of the tabs, which I'm pretty pissed off about. But there's three. There's 1, 2, and 3 attached to it, and I can't figure out for the life of me how to remove this, and I'm trying to not break it while not prying it at the same time, and it's confusing me because these teeth are like grabbing onto it. I will update you in a little bit. The thing is, you have to break something to learn. This is the one that's broken, not here on this end. It's broken on this thing. So these are what the teeth look like. Just keep that in mind. I figured out that if I put this between both pieces and I pull back, I can snap them out. Yeah, I was, just for context, what I was doing before, don't do this. I was sticking it between these two like this. Close it. Yeah, don't push it. Like that. I was sticking it between that rather than sticking it behind both. And that helped me pry them out. So just don't do what I did because you're going to break it. So now after, I don't know why he drew on my car. We removed this and this one. It was so much easier afterwards. Just simply pull back. As crazy as it sounds, don't try to do anything crazy, and just put if you have like a flathead in between it. Stop drawing on it. You're gonna clean that now. I'm being serious. Now we just need to put that up here, and then we need to, I think, run the cables through there. Here's the one light. You can take off the paper.
ASMR.
Not ASMR, hurry up.
So satisfying.
I actually like these better than the other ones I have, which are these.
You don't like those?
They're okay. I like how...
so dope, bro. Like, this looks like a bootleg L, bro. It looks so...
Okay.
I don't like it.
We just need to pop off these. What's up?
Did you put the piece in? Wait, didn't you want to put the winter protection thing?
Yeah, apparently I was gonna put a weather seal over this, but I'm gonna YOLO it just for now, and we will see what happens. Here, hold this. Hold the phone.
Give me a sec. I gotta pop this one back.
Then why'd you unpop it?
There you go. I popped it back.
Here,
Why does it look like there's glue over there?
hold this.
I hope this one doesn't fall.
Go through here. Here. I don't need you to record that, so.
I want to record it so people know how to do it.
Do what? You just run the wire through. What?
You gotta get a buzz.
Oh, runny noses, bro.
Maybe because it's freezing cold out here.
No.
I like this one more, bro.
That's your call. I like mine better.
Really? The thick L?
Yeah.
They're really gonna troll you saying that you took it now. Like, look at this one, bro. This one cream.
Those look so goofy, bro.
The L looks so cream, though.
It does not.
This one looks like it's sticking out.
That's the point.
I don't know. For me, it looks like I can play Tetris with that. I might want to have to stick it back in. 'Cause of me.
Wait, did you remove all of them?
Yeah.
Hold up.
Remember, there was 2 screws. But this one, no, yo, this one only had 2 screws. Why does it look like it's like out?
What do you mean?
Like this one looks like it's
Well, I
out.
haven't tightened it up. What do you think that yellow piece is for?
What yellow piece? The yellow cable?
No, where is this? It's this one, right?
What yellow piece?
Kind of just went in there. This, cause look.
That little yellow piece, bro. Isn't that right here too?
Find that nut that's gonna hold these.
Yeah, I kind of do. So I may have lost the nut.
I mean, the hex. I don't even know what the hell these are called. We are not car guys.
We are just broskies that like to customize cars.
I don't know where that piece is. You're gonna have to go find one that actually can move this.
Should I stop recording now?
What?
Should I stop recording?
Yeah, you can stop recording now. What the heck?
And we're live on Telemundo.
We are trying to put this in, but I'm a bit confused as to how much flex it's supposed to give. Oh, there we go.
You just need to get a tail wing, bro. But tail wing is the last thing because imagine a humongous tail wing just like here trying to move it. Do you think you could take this piece off if it's like attached with screws?
I'm scared to bend it.
I think it
this
is.
is not bending enough. It's like it's not long enough.
Car. The thing you wanted, it's right in here. Well, yo, what do you want? Do you want to be done with this? A whole entire pit crew's gonna come out in there. Wanna see? 3,
Did we miss something?
2, 1.
Are we missing something?
I don't think we are.
Because that goes in there. It fits perfect here. But then when we come to the... Come over here, it's just not
Hey, we'll catch up on this.
long enough. Oh, you want me? Okay, so we ran into a bit of a problem. Before I left, I told myself I was going to bring my drill bit, but I was like, nah, I won't need them. It just doesn't make sense. Turns out I'm probably going to need them. If you come over here, the 2 holes that are here so we could like words, you know, words. But anyway, the two nuts that we have to put onto here, on one side, it's like off by like a millimeter. So I can't do anything because I need to drill a hole out. If I could drill it out just a tiny bit bigger, everything will fit. But because I can't, I don't know what to do. I'm literally stuck. There's nothing I can do because I don't have a drill here, and
He already took off the tape.
Yeah. So I'm kind of stuck in like the worst position ever because I don't know what to do now. Bro, if I had...
We're gonna have to start sanding.
There's nothing to use though, that's the problem. Because it goes in here. Wait, let me see.
It's cold. Been working for about 3 hours. Let's show them the front bumper. Never even finished the front bumper. We gave up.
I'm so angry, bro. And now this one's like stuck. I'm angry. This one's also angry because it doesn't want to come out now. Come on.
Bro, you're blocking my intense shots.
Wait, can I rotate this? This thing is like such a pain in the...
Alright, that's all.
So this is what the final assembly is supposed to look like. I really like this look. I think it looks really cool. I'm gonna have to go right out to my old job and ask if I can borrow a drill bit because it's like I don't know. Where I used to work, we used to build like big generators, so we're always cutting into like a steel and aluminum. So I don't have a problem cutting holes into this to make these holes wider. I'm gonna drive my car there. I don't hope that doesn't fall off. My brother's currently just finishing up the bumper on this end. I'm about to help him so we can finish that up, and then we're gonna drive my car over there and then hopefully drill out the hole and fix that. So I will keep you posted. Came to my job, my old job, and I used a drill that they had so I could open up the holes a little. I will show you a small problem that I ran into, but the main concern I have now is this. I don't know how much I need that, but it does block off a bit of the reverse camera. So just something to keep in mind if you're also doing this, that you will lose a bit of your visibility in the back. I only use a backup camera in order to not hit anyone like a child. I don't really use that. Aside from that, I use the reverse mirrors or the rear view mirrors. But yeah, just something to keep in mind. If you use this, your reverse camera will be blocked off a little bit. Aside from that, let's go back to my house now so I can finish fixing this up. All right, so we have a beautiful sky and we are now a step closer to being done.
Did you show them the drill bit holes?
Yeah, so I ended up drilling these holes a little wider over here. You're not gonna be able to see that, but I ended up making them wider.
Oh, you can kind of tell.
Yeah, there's there's like a little bit of a gap, which kind of sucks. Also, when you close it, I'll show the end results. You'll see there's just a bit of a space here. I don't know. I can like fix it by like trying to adjust this, but for some reason I can't get this wide enough. These little boxes that you gotta stick to somewhere, I found that the best spot to stick them, I don't think you're gonna be able to do it. Turn on the oh wait, you can't see a little bit. I hooked them up here. This is where I have them. I found this is like the ideal spot, not down here. It's like up here just because there's like a bit of a an indent going out. So just something to keep in mind up here. Aside from that though, I am wiring everything up right now. Everything is working out pretty well. I'm just making sure I didn't forget anything because I always have leftover pieces. But yeah, I will show the end result, and it's kind of nice that it's getting like okay.
It's not even focusing.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
But it's kind of nice that the sun's setting so we can actually see what the lights look like in the dark.
You look
So
cold.
I will post. Yeah, it is cold out. We will update you guys in a little bit once we're done.
Dope transitions.
All right. Really? We finished it. Let me lower it just. There we go. I was just lowering it. This is what it looks like done. I think it looks amazing. You can go switch headed, put left and right, and then put the emergency lights. It has a cool startup animation also. Oh, the car's locked. Where are the keys?
Here, give me the keys.
Yeah. Oh, and then that's the animation when you unlock it.
Here, I'll give you the unlock.
No. Just get in and do the left the blinker lights. Any minute. Anywhere. Left, right, I don't care. Okay, well that's the emergency lights. That's what it looks like. It came out pretty well. I'm kind of excited and also kind of nervous because I don't know if the seal is properly set because I'm not a mechanic, but that's what it looks like. I think it looks pretty cool. You done? Yep, this is what it looks like. Now we just have to clean this all out and
Get rid of the lights.
Get rid of the other lights.
Back and put those pieces on.
Maybe I should do a giveaway for the other lights. Maybe.
No.
I think so. I don't think I'm ever gonna use them, but maybe we'll figure it out. Anyway,
I don't think anyone's gonna want them.
you don't know that. I'll try. I'm gonna finish this cleaning up and then I'm going back. I have a drive of 50 minutes back to my university.
What a nerd.
Okay.